Argan oil is extracted from the kernels of the argan tree. The oil is widely used to nourish hair and skin. Argan oil contains the abundant amount of vitamins A and E, along with linoleic acid, omega-6, antioxidants and minerals that promote your overall health by moisturizing, softening as well as protecting skin and hair from sun damage. The 5 health benefits of argan oil for skin and hair are: 1. Moisturizer. Argan oil is easily absorbed in the skin and will not leave the residue. It keeps the skin moisturized. For better results, always apply the argan before sleep once you wash your face. Take a drop of argan oil on your palm and massage in a circular motion. This will reduce wrinkles and other skin-related problems. 2. Toner. This oil is also used as the toner. For this, take the used green tea bag and 4 drops of argan oil. Seal this in a container. Use this in morning and night for better results. 3. Exfoliant. You can also use argan oil as an exfoliant. Make a mixture of a tablespoon brown sugar and 2 drops of argan oil. Gently rub this mixture on skin for 2 to 4 minutes. This will remove dead skin cells and keep skin fresh. 4. Anti-acne. Argan oil is also beneficial to reduce acne problem. It contains linoleic acid, which decreases inflammation and cures damaged skin. To reduce acne, directly apply 2 drops of argan oil on the skin. 5. Stretch marks. Stretch marks can be reduced with the help of argan oil. To reduce stretch marks, warm 2 to 3 drops of argan oil and apply on affected area. The presence of vitamin A and D in argan oil rejuvenates the skin and improve elasticity. So these are the 5 health benefits of argan oil for skin and hair.